fifth question that we get asked all the time is, can you give me photos after the duct system is installed? And by all means, yes. We don't expect you to crawl underneath the house or crawl up into the attic and look at what we did. We're going to take videos, we're going to take pictures, we can email them to you, we can text them to you, we add them to your file in our computer system, and they're always there for you to look at because you have access to it as well. It's really important that you see the before and the after, because the ductwork's not something that you look at all the time like a picture on the wall, right? You walk past it every day, you know what it looks like, you know if it's crooked, you know if it's got dust on the top. A duct system is pretty much out of sight, out of mind. You don't think about it until something comes disconnected or a rodent gets inside there, then you start thinking about it. So yes, please, get pictures before so you know what you're doing, get pictures after so that you know what you got. So that's really important, and yes, of course we do all of that.